TMetric is a powerful accounting software, but before you make the decision to buy, there are 12 key things you need to know. Let's dive right into them and compare it to its competitors so you can make an informed choice. First thing, TMetric offers time tracking and project management, which makes it a solid choice for freelancers and small businesses. But when compared to software like Toggle or Harvest, TMetric's project management features are a bit limited. If you need advanced project tracking or client management tools, you might want to consider alternatives. Next thing, it integrates well with popular tools like Slack, Google Calendar, and Asana. But while this is convenient, it doesn't have as many integrations as some of its competitors like Harvest, which has a more extensive list of third-party apps. If integration flexibility is a priority for you, that's something to keep in mind. The third thing is TMetric's user interface, which is clean, easy to navigate, and beginner-friendly. It's perfect for users who don't want to waste time on steep learning curves. However, for users familiar with more advanced accounting software, you might find TMetric's simplicity limiting. Some other tools like QuickBooks offer more in-depth customization for seasoned accountants. Next up, the pricing. TMetric offers a free plan, which is great for solo users and small teams. But once you need to upgrade, the paid plans might feel a bit more expensive than alternatives like Toggle, which also offers competitive pricing for teams. Still, if you're looking for a solid value on a budget, TMetric's plans aren't too far off from the competition. The fifth thing is reporting. TMetric provides detailed reports for time tracking and billing, but it doesn't offer the same level of customization and depth as its competitors, like Harvest or QuickBooks. If advanced financial reporting is a critical need for your business, you may want to look into other options. The sixth thing to note is its mobile app. It's functional, but not as feature-rich as some other apps in the market. For those who are always on the go and need comprehensive features on their mobile, apps like Toggle or Clockify might be more fitting. Next thing, customer support. TMetric offers good support via email and live chat, but it doesn't have the extensive support options of some of its competitors like QuickBooks, which offers phone support and a larger knowledge base. If you prefer more hands-on support, you may need to explore other platforms. The eighth thing is the client billing feature. TMetric offers client billing based on the hours worked, but it isn't as flexible as the billing systems in software like Harvest. If you need more customizable billing options, that's something to consider. The ninth thing to keep in mind is the lack of tax management features. TMetric focuses on time tracking and project management, but if you need accounting and tax tools, you'll need to integrate it with other software. QuickBooks and FreshBooks are much more robust in this area. Next up, TMetric's team management capabilities. It does allow you to manage employees and set permissions, but its team management features are more basic compared to what you'd find with software like Asana or Monday.com, which offer more detailed team collaboration tools. The 11th thing is security. TMetric provides strong security features, including two-factor authentication, but doesn't have the same level of encryption as larger platforms like QuickBooks or Xero. If you handle sensitive financial data, make sure to evaluate if its security meets your standards. Finally, TMetric is great for freelancers and small businesses looking for an easy-to-use time tracking tool. It's less suited for larger businesses or those that need extensive financial reporting and tax services. If that sounds like your situation, you might want to consider software like QuickBooks or FreshBooks, which offer more comprehensive solutions for businesses of all sizes. TMetric is definitely a solid option for freelancers and small teams looking for a simple, no-frills accounting tool. But if you're after more advanced features and flexibility, you may want to check out our recommended solution, which offers a free trial so you can see if it's the right fit for your needs.